Hello and welcome to video number 9. This is number 9 in our series of short videos about miscellaneous XK8 stuff. This one's aimed at motorists and 10 things you could do with your XK8 while you're at
lockdown. Number 1.
You can sit back and watch XK8 car channels, including
ONDR. Number 2.
Unplug your battery and plug in your battery charger. Make sure it's all topped up and ready for go when it all finishes.
Number 3.
You can check all your fluid levels. Make sure you got no existing problems. Again, before you get round to being released. Can you get it in, Owen? Can you get it in? Oh, what a good aim. That's single-handed. That's pretty good, that is. There's promise there, guys.
Number 4.
You need to check your brakes, the disc and pads, make sure they're not worn or warped. I think we're in pretty good condition. Check tyre pressures and tread depths. Are we okay, Owen?
Number 6.
We need to give a good wash and polish. I'm sure everybody's done this more than once already, but you know, it doesn't really hurt to do it multiple times, does it? Good wash and polish. You're doing a good job there, by the way.
Number 7.
You need to hoover the inside of the car, and don't forget to hoover the back seat. We know nobody uses them, but they do get dirt in there for some reason. I don't know how.
Number 8.
You need to feed those leather seats and treat your hood or waterproof your hood if you've got a cabriolet or a soft top. Give it a good rub down and clean, and everything will be smelling and feeling lovely when you come to the summer.
Number 9.
Well, when you've had a wash and a wax, you can always try clay bar. Wash and polish, you always try clay barring and wax. Here's Owen demonstrating how to do it. A bit of fluid and then small circles. Small circles! Small circles! Anyway, it's work in progress.
Number 10.
Okay, lastly, you need to polish that stainless steel pipes, as most of the motorists are going to see your rear end and into the distance. Give it a good polish there, Owen. Good job. Lovely. Very shiny. Okay, so after you finish your 10 easy things to do for motorists, you can sit back and relax and think about what you're going to do as you're still
in lockdown.
So look out for video number 10, which is going to be our enthusiasts 10 more things to do with your XK8. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.
And hit that notification bell.
Thanks again. Goodbye.